Banana Pilot Station, Falkenberg.
Falkenberg, Banana Pilot Station, right?
Yes sir, good morning. 06 please.
Channel 1 focus.
Okay, channel 12. Banana Pilot Station, Falkenberg.
Falkenberg, Banana Pilot, audio with me.
Yes sir, loud and clear. Good morning again. 88 to Pilot Station, 1530.
1530, that's your ETA to Banana Pilot Station, correct?
Yes sir, that's correct.
Okay, what's your last port of call?
Last port of call, Luanda, Angola.
Your destination?
Destination, Matadi. I'm sorry sir, please repeat your last message.
Your maximum drop.
Maximum drop, 6.70.
6.70, correct?
Yes sir, that's correct.
The flag.
Sorry sir, please repeat.
What is your flag?
Our flag of the vessel,
Yes, the flag of the vessel.
Cyprus.
Your local agent.
Local agent, company is Pacific Trading Matadi. The name of agent, Willie Loso.
Okay, Pacific Trading, Matadi. Correct. Thank you very much. So, come on board.
Sir, any news for our pilot?
Which cargo you have on board?
Cargo on board, salt in bag.
Salt in bag, correct?
Yes sir, salt in bag.
Okay, so which instruction did you have from your agent on your arrival?
I will contact my agent upon arrival. Is that correct?
So didn't you, you not in contact with your agent?
Yes sir, we contact our agent but he did not give any advice if we received pilot or no. He did not give advice.
Okay, thank you. Waiting for your call on channel 16. Back to 16, waiting for the next instruction.
Okay, I will stand by channel 16 waiting for next instruction.
Okay, thank you. I'm calling you back on 5 minutes to give you the instruction.
Okay sir, understood. Thank you. Stand by channel 16.